Welcome back to Crafting Kamamas. My name is April and today we are going to be sublimating on laminated wooden letters. As always, disclaimer, I've only done this a couple of times. I did a Cars theme, Disney princesses and dinosaurs for my nieces and nephews. But this is the first time that I'm going to be doing 10 letters straight. As requested from my friend. She wanted a mermaid theme, so I'm really excited to do it. I've already done some letters, so I'm going to be finishing the rest, the last 4 letters. But I'm still in the trial and error stage of this because I'm still kind of learning the heat settings for the laminate, for it to stop bubbling, for it not to over scorch or burn. So I'm still learning, but I really love how the other ones turned out. So we're going through the process together. So the wooden letters that I've been using that I really like are from Hobby Lobby. I've been using these ones just because they're already white. These are $3.99 and they're kind of thicker. And they already come with the hooks or the holes to hang. Those are $3.99, but then you know what, Hobby Lobby has like their weekly ads sometimes, so you can get those on sale. There's also these ignore that. So these are $2.99 from Hobby Lobby as well. This is MDF. And the only thing is you have to prep these. So you have to sand it down a little and then you have to prep it white. I've seen people sub directly on wood, but you're also going to, it's not going to come out as bright and vibrant just because it's not a white background. And I know Walmart sells like wooden ones that are $1 or $2. But yeah, like I said, the thing is that you have to take the extra time to prep it and paint it white. And these are thinner. If you can see the comparison. Oh, let me do an end. And there's different sizes too. So there's even bigger ones and smaller ones, depending on what you want to use it for. So yeah. But you're gonna need some thermal laminating pouches. This was a pretty cheap pack, and it says 100 pouches, but it actually is. You don't want to use it as a pouch. You want to first open it and split it, and now you have 200 sheets. So that is great. And so I've already done some. I'll show you the end result once we go through everything. But I also have like these that I also got from Hobby Lobby that I'm gonna figure out in the end how I want to attach them and stick them. And like this is on sale, 99 cents, like just little like gemstones. So I'm super excited how it's gonna come out. So let's get started. Okay, while we're waiting for the Cricut Easy Press to heat up, I already printed my designs. Okay, so I've seen 2 different ways to do this. Majority of people, which is the way that I do it, just because that's how I saw it first, was you want to laminate first and then sub on top. But then I've seen people do the opposite, where they sub first and then laminate. I'm going to try that method another day. I just don't want to mess it up now just because I've already been doing what I've been doing. ASMR. So the laminate pouch, or sheet, sorry, there's a shiny side and then there is a matte side. You want to place the matte side face down, shiny side up. And then put your paper. Where is it? Oh. Ignore my rough cutting. I just kind of cut wherever. And then some people I've seen press for a whole minute for laminate, and I just do not. Do not recommend that. Wait, I don't even want this heat. Okay, so have a easy press. What I've seen where I kind of do it in halves, just because I've realized when I do it just one time, the whole sheet, it does not work properly. So I'm gonna do half, 10 seconds, press with hard pressure. So I forgot to mention this while I was recording, but once you lift off, you want to be careful because it'll be hot, and then the laminate will stick to the butcher paper. That's perfectly normal. It's fine. You can just peel it right off. And then I didn't record this part, but you can use like an old credit card or a squeegee, and you can rub and basically flatten out any bubbles that you get. So I kind of purposely left it longer than 10 seconds just to show you what happens. If you can kind of see, there's a little like browning, scorching that was happening. So that's what I'm saying. It's super temperamental to work with this. I don't know if it's just this letter, because I've seen people do it for a minute and just like how, because you still have to sub on top of that and it's gonna even burn more. So what we're gonna do now, you let that cool, and then we're gonna put the image on top. So please ignore the fact that I forgot to put down butcher paper on top of my pressing mat. But you want to place the letter face down onto your design paper, just because you want to see that it's properly fitted and that you have all the edges on. And then you want to take a piece of your heat resistant tape the pieces together just to prevent any movement while you're pressing. Flip it back over just like your usual sub. Put another layer of butcher paper over. I remember that butcher paper. And then you want to press 385 degrees for 45 to 60 seconds. And then reveal. And look how beautiful that is, minus the fact that my laminate is sticking to my pressing mat. Okay, once you let the letters cool for a bit, you're gonna get, I have my cutting mat already, and then whatever blade that you prefer. I like to use an X-Acto knife just because it's more precision. And then you're literally just gonna cut the edges. Turn around, and then I'm gonna fast forward through all this. So see you guys in a bit, okay? So there's not really any special way to do this. I personally like to flip it face down, just so it's easier to cut, because the laminate sheet will be flat onto the cutting mat. Then you just want to cut it as clean as you possibly can. And yeah, this is the most tedious part of the whole thing. You guys that I do comb his hair, but he just woke up. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. You want me to hurry up and review and go back to sleep?
What?
By far, literally my favorite project I've ever done. Wow, can you say wow? Oh, I'm sorry.
Wow.
Okay. You needed to see it before you gave your opinion. Okay, Cameron. These I just literally used crafter's tape to stick on, and the gems, some of them already had like adhesive backings to it. But yeah, let me know down in the comments for some extra tips. I'm still having trouble like figuring out the whole time temperature thing. And then yep. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll cut it short. Alright, bye guys. Peace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and that's it, right? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye. No? Say thank you. You're making me look bad, Cameron. Who's cute? It's just you're so cute. Okay, do bye-bye. Go kiss. Thank you. He's so smart.
No, no.
No, you're not? I think so.